Hi, I'm Jadon, a student at USF currently studying computer engineering. One of the things I love about USF is that I'm able to work on cutting research projects that I never thought I'd be ever able to do in my life. I really love that about USF. USF is ranked for its research, and as an undergraduate student, I have had many opportunities to work on groundbreaking projects. The reason as to why is due to the different technologies that USF offers. These technologies have completely changed my life. What I love about USF is that research is not limited by major. We have many different engineerings, such as computer engineering, biomedical engineering, and electrical engineering that meet together in different labs for innovation and creativity. This innovation has completely changed my life, and I'm so happy I'm at USF. This hands-on research has made me feel prepared for the working industry. I've even been able to collaborate with different companies that are interested in hiring undergraduate students fresh out of college. I'm really excited about being here at USF. If you're interested in research or innovation, then USF is a perfect place for you. Reach out to our admissions team and you'll just see how much you can accomplish while you're at USF. Are you ready for a bold college experience? Well, if you are, then choose USF. Go Bulls!